Thanks.
You guys have the same thing.
Oh my gosh, right here. You guys look up. It's Mickey.
Oh. Hey, you got here within the first hour of the park. It would be Disney animators.
Oh, maybe. This is so, I mean, nice. Lily Tomlin, love her. Raleigh's so excited. Do you want to do yours, Declan? It's that one. You're Mickey. You got Mickey. Lucky you. I know. You should have been Daisy. Oh, well. All right. Give me your card so we don't lose them. Oh, sorry, Deck. Thank you, Raleigh. I know. This is so unreal. Oh, my gosh, you guys. It's like walking back in time. Look at this mural. Oh, my goodness. This is really beautiful. I had no idea that they had this here. Oh, this is reminding me of our trip to Catalina too, because they've got a really beautiful theater that's like the sister theater to the Chinese Man Theater.
Look, he is using 3 legs. That's funny.
Oh, funny. He's using funny. Here we go. This is, remember when we went to Catalina, that movie theater there? There's like the sister theater to the Hollywood one. Somebody's excited!
Welcome everyone! As Mickey and Minnie drove off to the park to enjoy their perfect picnic, Engineer Goofy pulled up in his train, and let's just say, he really had a blast. Now, instead of watching the cartoon, you get to step into it.
Wow, this is so pretty. If you want to wait, you could wait for us.
How fast is it? It's not fast at all. It's good for babies.
Oh, good. Declan was nervous it's too fast, but even babies can go on it.
Well, we have a little
Woo!
change of plans. In our last
Ooh, look at this. Wow. To the trains. Here we go. So even a baby could lap ride on this. It's not, there's no height requirements. Good morning.
Always remain seated and be sure to keep a watchful eye on little ones. Okey dokey.
Even Jesse, he's got a little bop in his knees. Here we go. He's got a little skip in his, a hop in his step, a skip in his walk. Raleigh goes first. The kids go first. It says smallest riders first. Woo!
Daddy, come on. Daddy. Okay.
Wow, this is so cool. Wow. It's Goofy. It's Goofy. Oh, look. Mickey and Minnie.
Good work. There was me.
Oh, no.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Are you okay? Okay. Oh, we're somewhere tropical.
We made it.
Wow. Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Now.
Oh my God. So cool the way they switched everything. Whoa, we're going down the drain? Oh, geez. Oh, we're in a dance class, Holly.
It's so nice to see you. Come on in. Don't be shy.
Look, it's us. We're in a dance class. We're dancing. We're dancing. Rolly.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Declan's doing ballet.
We're dancing the
Woo! Woo! The conga.
That's kind of sudden.
Yay!
Minnie Mouse just went into the pipe.
Oh no! Oh no! There's Mickey! There's Smasher! Oh no! What did we do?
And then we saw like all the pit plans from
It's like Mary Poppins. Oh, look at it. There's Mickey in the
That
fireworks.
concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park.
Look at
And
that.
thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
I know. Little birdie, bye little birdie, bye. Oh, he's blowing us kisses. He's so cute. Bye. There's Walt. Look at him waving. Oh, that's so great.